Hebrews chapter 4. Newest same promise o rest is offered to his a day. Say be careful at ye didna fall short o it. We hid that Gweed Saynd preach it to his just as they hid, but it didna dee them muckle gweed. 'Cause though they heard it, they didna talk wi' it. We fa believe, div win till at rest. As he said, as I vowed in my rage, they'll never win in till my rest. Even though a works are finished for a creation o a wirl. Does the scripture nae say some why, o a seventh day? On Almighty rested on the seventh day for all his work? In that very bit of scripture we read, they'll never win in till my rest. Nu, some mon win in, on cause them for first heard a message didna win in, cause they didna talk wi' it. Almighty sets out another day, for he says through David, mony years after, a day, just as he said a day afore. A day, gin ye hear his voice, dinna be thrown, gin Joshua had gien them rest. Almighty wouldna hae spoken after hine o another day. There's aye sign, a rest for Almighty's folk. On the chill for gangs in till that rest is resting fa his ain work. Just as Almighty is resting fa his. We maun do all we can to win in till that rest. For fear ony chill, fa until this unbelief that we've spoken about. A word Almighty is, alive and powerful, and as sharp as a twa-edged sword, cutting straight through to fa a sentient being and a spirit meet. For a joints and a marrow come together, it works out the very thoughts and products o' a heart. There's nae beast in all creation that can hide fae Almighty. All things naked and lies open before a sick to him for we have to do wi. Seeing sign that we have a great high priest, for's one in till a maist heaven, Jesus, a son o' Almighty. Let's hold firm till we're faith, 'cause we hinna got a high priest that canna sympathize wi' our weaknesses. He himself was tempted, wi' all a temptations that we have, but he wasn't ta'en in be them. So let us boldly approach a throne of mercy, so we can get mercy, and find mercy to help in the time o' want.